And we are getting you ready as you prepare to head out the door on this first alert weather day. Your reporter Brian Sherrod is out in Jefferson County, where some of the most severe gusts are expected. We also have your reporter Kennedy Cook in Fort Collins. And Kennedy, we know CSU is closed today.
Yeah, Michelle, it actually closed on Thursday, and it was pretty much a ghost town all day yesterday. And we can expect more of that today. We've been driving here all morning. We're finally here on campus at the Laurie Student Center. Look behind me, guys. This tree is just completely down. Now, imagine you're walking to, I don't know, your geometry class, and you see this tree just kind of crash down. This is just a look of the example of some of the conditions here on campus, which is why classes are canceled today. So on the CSU Oval, a massive tree. This is probably that tree. It toppled over. It fell on some cars parked along the oval directly below. Cars in the Laurie Student Center parking lot had the same fate as smaller trees tipped over, causing damage to vehicles. Now, it is championship weekend for high school basketball. The 2A playoffs were supposed to be played at CSU on Thursday and had to move yesterday. CSU says despite today's closures, Moby Arena will still host the semifinals later today. But again, guys, just to look at some of those conditions today, we just saw one of those robotic Grubhub machines. I guess someone's getting breakfast delivered and they didn't even know how to get over all this mess here of the tree. So again, that campus is closed today, and even the robots on campus are having a hard time navigating things. So I'm gonna go ahead and send it back to you guys.
Well, it doesn't account for, fallen trees and stuff like that.
I know.
So
The robots need the day off too, I guess.
I guess. All right, Kennedy, thank you so much.